Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the kind of husband that I have. When we go to Walmart, that's where we do our grocery shopping too. Darren gets the groceries, I get the rest of the stuff because I hate the grocery side. It's cold, I hate it. Anyway, so then we meet and we get in line and we buy our stuff. So Darren says, look what I found and I thought you needed to have. So I told him, yeah, and we should open those and do a review. So here we are with the Troll Oreo cookies. How cool is that? I think the packaging is really pretty. I like how the pinks, how the color fades here. I really do. I'm not being funny. I really do. But this is a silver label edition. Pink colored cream with what? Glitter. Really? Glitter cookies? You know I'm in. And it says 150 calories for the pack. So I'm really happy with that. So I got out a glass of milk and I thought we'd try these. I thought that Oreo was still made by Nabisco, and I can't find Nabisco on here anywhere. Distributed by Mondelez Global LLC. But they're made in New Jersey, so I guess that's good. So let's try one. Let's open them up, see what we have. Ooh, where's the glitter? Okay, so here's how they look. Oh, that's cute. Isn't that cute? An Oreo on this side, but I don't see any glitter. Let's tear it open. Nah, little bit of glitter. So little I doubt that it'll pick it up on the camera, but I'll try to shimmer it for you here. Let's try it. It's more like, I don't know, cake icing, but not bad. We'll get another opinion. Here's to Oreos. My favorite are the originals. Thanks for watching. Do you hear that crunching in the background? It looks, he has a smile on his face. I think he likes them. Please leave a comment. Let me know if you have these in your grocery store and if you're going to buy them. Please leave a like and subscribe.